sure it's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite drinks, smoothie, and also healthy recipe for making at home. Anyway, guys, it's just a quick one, and you know, I mean, it's a smoothie which I want to do a long time, and I mean, with some spinach and mixed fruits. Just amazing recipe, guys. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. We got a lot more ideas and tips and recipe for you. The fans them, we want to say we love you guys, and thank you so much for your time watching Chef Ricardo video. It's amazing. So stay tuned. Remember, share, subscribe, and like, and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright, we love you and see you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Anyway, I just want to simply say to you that right here I have the Ninja blender, which I'm going to make you a nice lovely drink. And first thing I want to simply say to you, this is some spinach which I have right here, roughly about a handful of spinach right here. And basically what I'm going to do is take it and put it straight inside of my Ninja blender like this right here. As you can see, lovely and nice. I just wash it off, and then as you can see, that's the way it's looking, guys. Beautiful and nice, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I have that right here ready. That's the spinach, lovely and nice. Then next we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of ice inside of it. Got ice give it a really nice lovely flavor. Then we got mango. We're gonna put a piece of mango inside of it. If you got mango at your home, sliced mango, just pop a piece straight inside of it. And this is another piece of a mango, lovely and nice. This is some melon, as you can see, yellow melon. You can put some yellow melon in also inside of it. This is some pineapple, 2 pieces of pineapple in it, give it a lovely flavor also. Then ginger is a must. So what happened now, the ginger give it a lovely flavor. And normally remove the skin from my ginger. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just simply remove the skin, put a piece of a ginger inside of it. Lovely. Lemon or lime is good to use, so I got a piece of lime. I'm gonna use half of it by simple squeeze it in like this, guys. As you can see, get all of the flavor from it. Lovely and nice. I'm just gonna squeeze it, everything. Nice one. So that's it right there. Basically, that's all the ingredients which we're going to use. Then honey is a must. So basically we're gonna squeeze on 2 teaspoons of honey inside of it. And some water, half glasses of water. Nice one. Just to free up the blender. Make sure you seal it tightly and blend it for 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. Nice and lovely. I just finished blending it, and now I'm going to pour it straight inside of my glass. As you can see, look at that, beautiful and nice. And that's my smoothie drink for the day. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. Got a lot more ideas, recipe and tips coming out for you. And see you next time.